I just wanted to make a quick recording to show you how these two screens work. So it looks like nothing's really going on here, but there are actually three different problems that you need to work. Okay, so if you click on the first option, this is the graph. You should recognize it as the parent function for absolute value, and it wants you to type in what the equation would be that would make it go to the right 4 and down 2. You type it in, hit submit, and then it's up to you to determine whether or not it does exactly what it's supposed to do. Okay, once you submit that one, go up, click Reflections Practice, and reflect this equation over the x-axis. All right, you type the equation in, hit submit, and you should be able to see whether or not it actually does what it's supposed to do. And finally, here's where we're going to take the original equation of the red function and try to create the green, the blue, and the purple one. So you're going to have to be able to look to see, what kind of transformations are happening. So you're going to write the equation for like the green one here, the purple one here, the blue one here, and the purple one here. It really doesn't matter which one order you put them in, but your goal is to get an equation that matches each of these. Okay, so that's what this screen is. The next screen, it says, for each function family, create a new family member that has undergone 3 transformations. So it says choose any one that you want. You want to pick the quadratic, cubic, an absolute value function, or a square root example. Pick whichever one you want, but then you also get to choose 3 transformations that it has to undergo, and you describe them here. So the 3 transformations are you need to make it reflect over the x-axis, and then you need to choose how far you want to translate left or right, and you need to choose how far you want it to translate up or down. Describe those transformations that you want to have happen in this box, and then type the equation in that makes those transformations happen. So your graph should match the description, and if it doesn't, then there's something wrong with your equation. So please double check that you are indeed experiencing the types of transformations that you said you would experience. All right, so you only need to choose one of these, and each one, it gives you the starting function, and you need to transform the starting function 3 different transformations all at once. One of them has to be a reflection. Okay, the other one has to be a horizontal translation, and the other one has to be a vertical translation, but you choose how far, left or right or up or down. Okay.